everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making oatmeal cookies, so let's get started. In a mixing bowl you're going to need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a half a cup of butter softened, a half a cup of shortening, Crisco, I used butter, Crisco, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. We're going to start mixing this. While this is mixing, in a separate bowl, you're going to put 3 cups of oats. I'm using old-fashioned. You can use quick or old-fashioned. It's up to you. I like old-fashioned because I like the bite of the oatmeal in the cookie. Sometimes with the quick oats, you don't get a bite. So you're going to do 3 cups of oats in a bowl, 2 cups of flour, and 2 cups of raisins if you want. I'm not putting raisins in mine, no one in my family likes them. You can also do craisins. So in this bowl I have my flour and my oats, and all I did was mix it with my hand. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. Alright, now remember to keep scraping down your bowl, the sides and the bottom. Once it's all mixed really well, we're going to start adding our dry ingredients. Now, make sure your oven's set at 350 degrees. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time so it doesn't go all over. I'm just going to mix this until it's blended. Alright, once it's mixed really well, I'm going to take a cookie scoop, and I'm just going to drop the balls down. And you're going to do them about 2 inches apart because they will spread a little bit.
What's your language? This is an adult or a family show.
Yeah.
You know, dropping balls and stuff.
Okay.
Dough balls, that is. Do these cookies spread much?
A little bit. That's why you do them 2 inches apart.
Oh, okay.
You don't want them right on top of each other.
Because I remember growing up, Mom would make cookies and sometimes they would like run together. You know,
I can't say that they won't. It depends on the butter, the eggs, the liquid in it. You know, if you use a different butter than somebody else, it might just have too much water in it. We'll see on the first one. But even if it does spread, mine will be fine because I left enough room.
I'll eat them anyway,
yeah.
So no worries.
So I'm going to put this in my 350 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. You just want them to get lightly browned, okay? And when they come out, you need to take them off the tray immediately and put them on a cooling rack. Alright, so here's our finished oatmeal cookies. Jack said they are amazing. So I did mine for exactly 12 minutes. I did 6 minutes, turned my tray and did another 6 minutes. Check them a little before 12 minutes because the last batch cooked a little bit browner, even though I did it for the same amount of time, same temp, everything. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.